The news of Ganymede Sophia destroys the school/grounded. Yes, it's school time. Yes, the school time is starting. Go to school. I learn classroom for school. First wording class science. I want a learning a science class. Teacher learning a classroom. Finishing a classes for school. Go to lecture hall. Winx Club movie is starting. Watching Winx Club movie. What Sophia destroying the school? Go to home and Sophia, your school was destroyed, and go to living room. Sophia destroys the school, that's it, you are grounded, 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 grounded for 45,800 years. Go to your room right now. Whoa.